Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to make a couple of different versions of a snake. We're also going to make this dog, which kind of looks like a Doberman Pinscher. And then finally, we're going to make a frog with a tongue and without the tongue. All right, let's get ready. We'll start with the snake. This first version has the tongue in. For all these versions, we're going to do a slowed down version and a zoomed in version. Here we go. Start by crossing your pinkies and your ring fingers. Then bring your middle finger underneath and the other one underneath the ring fingers. This is going to be the base. We're going to connect our pointer fingers. That's going to go around the eyes. The pinkies are going to be the tongue and the thumbs will be the bottom of the mouth. All right, let's look at that again, zoomed in. Cross the pinkies and the ring fingers. Bring the middle fingers under and the other one. In this version, I'm going to connect these here. That's the tongue. Either way works. And then bring everything together like that. All right, so we have our first snake. This is tongue in. Now let's look at the second version, which has like a horn, or maybe that's the tail sticking up in the back. Either way, it's a pretty creepy snake. Let's get started. In this version, keep your pinkies up, cross the ring fingers like normal, bring the middle fingers underneath again, and then connect the pointer fingers just like we did last time, and you'll bring the thumbs together. Same thing, except the pinkies are in the back, making the tail up or the horn. All right, let's try it again, zoomed in. Cross those ring fingers, connect those so it makes the eye sockets, and that's it. Now let's look at the dog. I like the dog. This is a feisty dog. Let's do it slow mode. With this one, you want your ring finger pointed out. With your middle finger, you want to make kind of a socket. And you're going to do it on both sides. Now here's the tricky part, and don't worry, I'm going to show you a second method. You want to just take the pinkies and kind of scoop them in, and then connect everything at the bottom, and there you go. Now let's try it again, zoomed in. So ring fingers out, middle fingers creating a bit of a hole, and then just kind of lace the pinkies in. These are the eyes. And then bring everything together at the end to make the mouth. All right, so this is one happy dog or a sad dog, depending on what you do with your pointer fingers. I love this one. All right, let's try another method for doing this. Drop those ring fingers, cross the pinkies, and then you can kind of wrap your middle finger around to create those eye sockets. And there you go. Let's try it again, zoomed in. Drop the ring finger, cross the pinky, bring the middle finger over to create the eye socket, and bring everything together at the bottom. All right, what do you think? What sort of dog does this look like? I'm thinking Doberman, but let me know in the comments. Either way, pretty happy dog. Okay, let's look at the frog. This is the first one I ever learned how to do. Let's look at it slow-mo. All right, bring the pinkies down, cross the ring fingers, bring the pointer finger under, and then you're going to connect at the top. So in this version, the middle finger is on the top. All right, and remember this is the one with the tongue. So pinky down, cross the ring finger, pointer finger under, just like this. All right, so there's the first version of the frog if you like the tongue. If you don't like the tongue, well, we have version 2. So keep the pinky back, cross those ring fingers, bring the pointer finger down, the middle finger on the top, the thumbs connect at the bottom, and then you kind of just lay the pinkies on the top, just like this. So if you're a tongue or not a tongue person, it's up to you. All right, let's look at it zoomed in real quick. Cross the ring fingers, pointer finger at the bottom, middle finger at the top, connect everything. There you go, you got the mouth opening. This is beautiful. Now, one more thing. If you'd like to learn how to hand whistle like this, or maybe you prefer this way, or maybe you want to do the way my dad taught me, either way, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos.